Just gonna give you guys a quick update on the house and the progress. So all the wood paneling has been removed and all the popcorn's been scraped off the ceilings in all the rooms. All the flooring's been removed. So it's gonna get knockdown texture on all the drywall. The bathroom has been gutted and new tub has been put in as well as new tile. Still waiting on the bull nose to arrive. The kitchen, I was back and forth with it. Originally I bought this house to use it as a rental, but I'm leaning towards just flipping it. So I was gonna leave the kitchen cabinets and just paint them, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove them and put in a new kitchen. Backyard has been cleaned up a bit and mowed. Some of the trees have been removed, so it looks a lot cleaner. In the garage, we've got material and garbage and whatnot. All the paint and stuff. That's all the tile that's gonna go on the floor. Put in a new garage door. Once again, same within here, got rid of the popcorn and it's gonna have knockdown put on it. So that's where we're at right now. I'll show you this room. Pretty much looks like the other room. Just all the glue stuck on the walls from the wood paneling. Luckily, there was drywall behind the wood paneling because some houses, there's just nothing behind. It's just 2x4s, so that's a plus. Saves some money and time. And I was gonna try and reuse this stainless steel appliance because it's actually not in bad shape. It was just a little dirty. But when we took these out to clean them, the guys I had come in to remove all the garbage and stuff, they threw all that away. So I'm gonna have to just get rid of it and get a new one, which, you know, whatever, 450, 500 bucks, not the end of the world. So you can see the yard, the windows are cleaner. You can actually see the room. And the yard's starting to look a little better. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about real estate, flipping houses, rentals, whatever, just leave it down in the comments below. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that like button and share this with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.